how to make friends and users you follow can message you on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make friends and users you follow can message you on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and then click these 3 points here in the bottom corner, and then go down, click settings and privacy, then click privacy, and here you will find who can message me. Click on it and then select friends and users I follow. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.